Hey people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. Here's another healthy recipe, and this is for you as well as for your kids too. They would also surely love, and that's nothing but moong chaat. Ingredients required for this recipe are sprouted green moong, curd, onions, tomato, and curry leaves. In a pan, add little oil, add seasonings and curry leaves. Add onions, fry till golden brown. Now add some spices like turmeric, chili powder, coriander and jeera powder and fry it. Now add tomatoes and moong to it. Add some salt to taste and add 1/4 cup of water and bring it to boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's plating time. Put the cooked moong mixture on the plate. Add some curd, chopped onions, garnish it with coriander leaves. So the healthy, tasty recipe is ready. The recipe is rich in protein and it's best as an evening snack for kids and for you too. You can sprinkle some chaat masala and green chutney for the flavor. I enjoy it this way. Don't binge on outside food when you can easily do it at home in a healthier version with many benefits. Try it, taste it and enjoy it. Like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.